Hey, hi guys, this is the ArpitaTulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, so if you all are writing your exams in the upcoming May 25 examinations and you all are worried about the CA final IDT amendments for May 25, then this video is for you. Yes. So now, first of all, ma'am, I have been receiving many questions about this that, ma'am, do we have too many amendments in IDT? So the answer is yes and no, both. Okay. The thing is, yes, we do have amendments. Okay, we do have amendments till 31st October 2024. That is your cutoff date applicable for the May 25 examinations. So amendments तो है. ठीक है. अभी now the amendments which are there, those are more than amendments, there are additions. Okay, more than amendments, there are additions. It's not that whatever, if you have studied IDT before, then everything is going to change, or no, it's not like that. Okay, but in many chapters, okay, in many chapters, there are small things which have been added. So first thing is, please don't be worried about it. Okay, I'm here to give you a solution. Okay, I'm here to give you a solution about how to deal with this amendment. What am I going to provide you? How am I going to help you? We are going to discuss about all these things. Ma'am, should we change the material? Should we not change the material? What should we do, etc.? That we are going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, so now the first question which came to my mind is, ma'am, how to cope up? How to cope up with the amendments and what type of amendments are there? So first of all, let me answer this. What type of amendments? Like I told you, it's not that everything is going to change. No, that is not going to happen. Okay, mainly additions are there, content has been added. Okay, so to deal with the amendments, to cope up with the amendments is going to be a simple task. Okay, trust me, it is going to be a simple task. Okay, now ma'am, how are you going to help us? How are you going to help us? How are we going to cope up with this amendment? So for every chapter, okay, for every chapter, now that ICAI has released the updated study material also for the May 25 and November 25 examination, so we have got the basic amendments available with us, which is applicable for the May 25 examination. So for every chapter, okay, for every chapter, I'll be compiling a sheet. Okay, I'll be compiling a full amendment sheet in which for every chapter I will be putting the amendments. Okay, so that material will be made available to you. That will be ready made. You just have to download it. Okay, and correspondingly from those material, from that particular material, I will be taking the amendment lecture also for you. Okay, so amendment notes will be provided to you, amendment video will be provided to you, which will be applicable for your May 25 examination. Okay, so this is the thing, you will be getting your material and the video. Ma'am, now by when we are going to get these material and videos, etc. So this is going to be made available to you by this month end itself. Okay, in December month itself, I am going to make these IDT amendments available for you. So as of now, okay, as of now, whatever you are doing, whatever you are reading, from wherever you are reading, learning, etc., please continue with that as it is, and then later at the end you can just watch these amendment videos. Okay, it's not that you have to watch it like one by one along with the chapters. No, that's okay. Even if you first finish off with the syllabus and then go and watch the amendment videos, that is absolutely all right. Okay, so this will be made available to you now ASAP in this particular month itself. And now the most important question. Okay, most important question is, ma'am, what if I have taken your first edition book or second edition book or third edition book, etc.? Okay, so first let me tell you, for the third edition book, the new book, okay, the new book which is applicable for the May 25 and November 25 examination. So if you have taken this third edition book, okay, latest book, then in that case, all these amendments, whatever I'm talking about, is already covered in your book. Okay, so if you are having third edition book, then you don't have to do anything, do nothing. Okay, do nothing, because amendments are already covered in your book. Okay, along with that, if now you have taken the lectures, okay, if now you have taken the lectures along with which you have got the third edition book, again everything is covered in the lecture, nothing to be done extra. Okay, so I hope this problem is solved. Now going on to the earlier edition of book, that is if you have taken the earlier edition of book, first edition, second edition, and now you're going to write your exams in May 25. Okay, so if you have the second edition book, then you have to support it with the amendment file. Okay, the amendment file which I will be sharing, you have to support it along with the amendment file plus the video that you can watch, and it should be sufficient. Okay, it will be sufficient because I have taken all the amendments over and above the second edition. That will be sufficient. Right now, if you have got the first edition, okay, means almost a year and a half older book, then in that case I will advise you to go. Okay, this is just a personal suggestion, just to avoid too many amendments, because you see, we are not talking about the second edition book, we are talking even about the previous edition. Okay, so if you have the first edition book, then now I will suggest you to go with the new book, third edition book, right? So this is about the book. For lectures, if you have the latest one, very good, awesome, because all the amendments are already covered in there. Okay, if you have any earlier, let's say if you have taken the first edition lectures, etc., then in that case, if you want to do a revision, etc., then maybe you can go with your fast track lectures if time permits, if your timetable permits. Okay, so this is the scenario. Okay, this is the scenario. And last, ma'am, where are you going to post these amendment notes and the videos? So you should be already knowing it. All the amendment videos are available on my amendment notes. Okay, those are available on our website, ArpitaTulsyan.com. You can go to the free notes section, and from there you can download it. I will be also posting it on my Telegram channel. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these amendment notes, and videos will be uploaded as always on the same YouTube channel on which you're watching this particular video. Yes, so this is all about the amendments. Yes, there are amendments. Okay, amendment lecture is not going to be small. It is not going to be small. There are considerable amendments, circulars, notifications, additions, those are there, but those are simple. Okay, trust me, those are simple. Whenever you start with those lectures, start with a positive mindset. Okay, I have to do only this much, and then I'll be done with all the amendments. Yes, I hope I could solve all your questions in relation to IDT amendments. Please share this video with every friend of yours who is writing their examinations in the upcoming May 25 examinations. And yes, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we are going to have too many content, too many important things coming up in near future. Yes, thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.